Hello, little star. Welcome to Ruhu's classroom. And today we will learn about the names of birds. Are you ready? Let's go. Crow. This is a crow. Duck. This is a duck. Eagle. This is a eagle. Parrot. This is a parrot. Peacock. This is a peacock. Penguin. This is a penguin. Pigeon. This is a pigeon. Sparrow. This is a sparrow. Little star, you have so much for learning, right? Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share Rohu's Classroom for more fun. Bye bye. See you.